do is we're going to use the torches to warm up the metal. Okay, so this isn't absolutely necessary for this, but I'm going to do it anyway because I have the stuff here at my disposal. I'm going to use the torch here, and I'm going to heat up the metals so that they're a lot warmer, so that when I get to welding, hopefully my weld sticks better. It's not 100% necessary, but I'm not a pro welder either. I'm sure a pro welder could actually give you that information, but I'm going to do it. Okay, burn your fingers just a little bit when you do that. There we go. I don't need to cut anything, so we ain't got to get real crazy. I'm just going to get the metal hot. Get it ready to be welded. This is a judge-free zone. Remember that. There we go. Here, I'm going to show the weld. It's probably about the best weld I'm going to put on this thing. Like that. Rotate it a little bit here. I mean, it looks like doo-doo, but it's going to function. That's the important thing. Definitely looks like doo-doo. Okay. Take the light, put her in there like that. I'm going to look, see if I can see light coming through. No. Let's try the same thing here. What I'm doing here is these cats I bought has O2 sensor bungs in them, and I don't need them obviously, so I'm going to cap this one off. It's not bad, got a little hot, not bad. I'm going to roll it over this way, just in case I ever want to put a different O2 sensor in. Anti-seize on this bad mamma jamma. Oops, sorry. It's slightly like a lubricant slash anti-rust type deal. Doing that, I'm going to try to find some, which by the way, we're doing this, all of this with scrap pieces of pipe that I've got in the garage. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to try to find a piece that will go on this bad mamma jamma to try to attach it to the car. Makes this end a slip joint, so that we can still take it apart if necessary. So, if I'm correct, like I usually always am, take this in and slide it on like this. I gotta put this end up here first. This is where it gets tricky. I'll mock it up, I guess. This and this. That would be like that. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna weld it up like it is. And it will be serviceable. Some welding again. We're positioned exactly how I need to be. It is kind of crazy with all the different pieces of pipe. But like I said, it's scrap stuff. And this way, basically, I make a slip joint to fit the rest. I slip it onto the back part of the exhaust and bolt it up to the manifold. And the exhaust is serviceable and it works. So I test fit where this goes. What I think is going on is the X5 exhaust that is on basically catalytic converter back. It came off of a X5 with a 3-liter, which is a straight 6. And the vehicle we have is a 4.8-liter V8. And so the part up here and the part back here are 2 different sizes. It does restrict the flow. It's not going to kill the performance that much that I'm going to be worried about it. But I do need to update the exhaust eventually in the future. This is just to get us on the road, get us rolling, shake out any kind of other little bugs we might find in the car that are more important. And then eventually I will buy a full catback system, something that I really like, that'll make the V8 sound good. And I probably will buy headers. But for now, we just want to get it going down the road with no exhaust leaks. So that's what we're going to do. And the restriction is going from 2 to 2.5, so it's not that bad. So anyway, I'm gonna prep this and get it welded up. I gotta clean up the metal here. Come on, baby. Hit that little spot right there. It kind of looks like it's got. I mean, I ain't no fucking pro, but it's gonna work. It's ugly, but it works.
It's not.